All right, you guys, and there you have it. You have your taco baked potatoes. You see that, you guys? You like the nice colors and all the lettuce and I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Okay guys, so I'm going to put the meat on now so that when we're done chopping up the vegetables that the meat will be already done. Okay? Alright, so let's just let this cook. Alright you guys, so I'm going to put the meat on now, okay? So when I'm filming